Hi, Kayla. I saw this problem, so I thought I'd help you real quick. I've written basically everything down from the problem. What you're going to see here is you got 451.4 grams of lead, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to find the molar mass of lead. And the molar mass of lead is 207.2 grams per mole, right? So I'm going to go ahead and write that here per 1 mole. Okay, so this is the amount of, this is the number of moles of lead I've got. Okay, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to look at the molar ratio. I have 2 moles of lead to 2 moles of PbO, right? So 2 moles Pb to 2 moles PbO, right? Now, when I go ahead and do that, I'm going to, the next thing I'm going to do is calculate the mass of lead oxide that's formed, right? So it looks like it's lead 2 oxide that's formed. So 1 mole PbO. And I'm going to figure out the mass of PbO. And the mass of PbO is 223.2 grams. 223.2 grams. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and multiply all this out on my calculator. So it's 451.4 times 2 times 22.3, or times 223.2, sorry. Okay, so that multiplied all of the top. So the top gives me 201,505. Now I'm going to multiply everything that's on the bottom. So it's 207.2 times 2, and then times 1, which is 414.4. Okay, I'm going to take these two numbers and divide them out. What's going to end up happening is all these units cancel out. And I get the grams of PbO. So this is going to give me the grams of PbO. And that's 486.257 grams of PbO. But if I look at my sig figs, I've got 4 sig figs. I should probably go with 4 sig figs here, which is going to be 486.3 grams PbO. Okay, they asked you one more question. The percent yield. You take the amount that's formed, 352.5, and this is what's called the theoretical yield. It's 486.3. This calculation that we did is called our theoretical yield. You divide it by our theoretical. PbO. And you multiply it times 100, and that will give us our percent yield. And so it gave us 72.5%. 72.49% yield. And that is the answer that you are looking for. Thanks so much. Have a good night.